Here's my video bike check of the Subrosa Armada frame. 20.5 inch top tube. Start off, we got the ODI Longnecks, Fit Sky Highs, Mutiny lifted stem, Kink integrated headset, Odyssey directors, Primo hub laced to a shadow stun with shadow spokes. Down here we got a Colt padded seat, a stolen Thermalite, Odyssey JCPC pedals, which I highly recommend, Odyssey Twombolts, Odyssey Burlington. For the chain we got a shadow interlock. In the back here we got a Sputnic rewind hub laced to another shadow stun rim. In the front we got a Odyssey Aitken tire, and in the back a Fit FAF. On the other side we got Shadow Little Ones pegs front and back, and I will also do a hub check or hub sound. Alright, here's the hub sound for the Sputnic rewind.